after we have OBCs, and there is no reservation for general, because we have to bring us backward into the mainstream. So we have to have give certain reservation and certain benefits to them, so that they can be with us in the mainstream. That is the reservation policy for India.
Yes, ma'am. To uplift their condition, and recently in JEE main result you must have seen, for general caste it was 75, I think, and for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes it was 24.
Minus 24.
No, 24. 20. Yes, just imagine if our children bring 72 or 70, then also they are disqualified, and if they are bringing 24 or 22, then also they are being selected, and that's why UP or Bengal में फूल क्यों गिरे? No one is going to find out the reason, but this is the fault of our politicians. Because of vote they can do anything. Yes, sir. One, it has come already. Again one. I think randomly I asked. 3 is left, 6 is left. Which number you want? 3 or 6? Define multi-party system.
When a single largest party, not participate.
Single party.
When two or more parties join together and
You are coalition government. You are confusing coalition government and multi-party.
there are many political parties in India, and two or more parties bring together and contest in
For coalition
elections.
government will
This
vote
type
for
of
multi-party.
elections is multi-party.
In any democratic country, if only one party is there, then no choice is there. That will be like China. But in any democratic country, we have the options. We have more political parties. If BJP is not going to fulfill our desire, then next election we can give vote to INC, Indian National Congress, or if JDU is not fulfilling our desire, in the next election, again Lalu Yadav Jindabad. Anything we can do. This is only multi-party system. So this group, number 2 question is left, and one more, 6. Which number you want? Number 2 and 6. Just you get 6. Then mention the main provisions of equality.
Every people should be equal in the eyes of law. Equal opportunity should be given to in all walks of life. Discrimination on the grounds of caste, color should be prohibited. Everyone should be treated equal in the eyes of law, and no titles should be provided to them to ensure equality in the society.
Yes, very nice. There are main 4 provisions of equality, and ma'am has explained. Now all of you be average students. So far you